Hey everyone, welcome back. If Prime Video downloads are not working, do not worry, this is usually a simple issue. First, check your internet connection because downloads need stable Wi-Fi. Then head over to your settings app and go to search and search for iPhone storage and make sure that your device has enough storage. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then restart the app. Then, if it still fails, restart your device to clear system errors. Now head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for Amazon Prime and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Also check if your downloads limits are reached on your account. Now your Prime Video download should work again. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next guide.